Gotta get that angle. We're shooting a tutorial. Can you guess what we're shooting? Has something to do with spring and a beauty box. Boom, spring beauty box. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I know it's been a hot minute, but we wanted to do a quick video for our 2019 spring beauty box. And the reason why we're doing a video is because we have some cool products in this one, and I really want to give you guys the back to basics, how-tos, 101s, you know, the to-dos on how to use these products the best way possible. So let's get straight to it. So for those of you that may not be familiar with our beauty boxes, what comes in the beauty box, it comes in a box, or you usually pick it up from the store, whichever you choose. You get a mini mag, which is pretty much a pamphlet of all the products that are in the box and a little description of what's in it, you know, something about spring, a little quote from me, which is usually a little weirdo. And then everything comes in a bag like this. If there's any powders, they'll be wrapped in bubble wrap. So what you get in this beauty box, you get an angle brush, perfect tool right there, mascara, you know, everyone needs mascara all the time, our shimmer, ultra shimmer lip gloss, which is what I'm wearing right now. Do I look shimmery? A deep plum, it's like a purpley cream eyeshadow, which we'll show you how to use, and the navy, dark navy, a matte navy eyeshadow, which we'll open up and show you, and then a sample of Poppy & Pout's face oil, which we carry in the store. And this is the bonus product. So a bonus product could be a full size, a sample, ours, something that I created, something that I carry in the store, something that a local business donated and kind of want you guys to try. So I kind of mixed that bonus item up. But for the front row products, you'll get the eyeshadow angle brush, a cream eyeshadow in purple, sparkle lip gloss, and a mascara. I hope you guys like these items. So the first product I'm going to use is our Deep Plum cream eyeshadow. So the cream eyeshadow is really versatile, and the coloring, the purple, is good for fair skin, medium skin, or dark skin. Like, purple is like a go-to universal color that everybody can rock and looks really, really good. So the way I'm going to use this first is as a liner. So what you do is take your angle brush and just... So after you pull out some product, I tend to just pull it out, put this down. I actually warm it up on the back of my hand. You can see the color. It's really, really pretty. And the reason why I do that is because this way I can make my angle brush really fine. So when I'm doing my liner, I have a really clean line. And I just keep building it until the coloring that I want. If I want it to be deeper, so it really glides on. That's the liner. What do you think? And if you want, you can smoke it down under. I kind of like it a little smoky in the bottom with the angle brush, and just smudge it with your finger. Put your mascara on, your look is done. So another way you can use the cream eyeshadow is on your entire eyelid by itself, or as an under, or as a base coat for other colors. So I'm literally gonna just take my finger and then just tap it on my eyelid and smudge it out. This is probably one of my favorite ways to wear this on me, because this is all I have to do. Add a little shimmer eyeshadow to kind of give it some extra pop. The trick when you're doing this is to focus on the eyelid, not on the eye crease. So when you look at someone, you just see this nice little sliver of this kind of plummy pearl color, and it's not too high. And then once I pat it on my eyelid, I'll take a clean finger and then just smudge it into the crease where it's just nice and smooth. And put your mascara on. You put your liner on, whatever you want to do, eyelashes, whatever you want to do on top of this, go crazy. And if you really just want to use it as a base, just put your eyeshadow right on top of it, including if it's another purple. It's going to really make it pop. Okay, so the next product we're going to show you how to use is the navy eyeshadow. So obviously you can use it as eyeshadow, but I'm going to show you some of the tricks. It's very similar to the way that we use it with the cream eyeshadow. I'm going to start out with a liner. I really love navy as a eyeliner than black sometimes. So all we're going to do is put a little bit, using the angle brush still. You don't want to do this because our eyeshadows are very soft. So you just want to kind of wiggle the product onto the compact. And now you're going to just kind of smudge it into the eyeliner and into your lash line. I'll do it a little soft first and then work my way in. Now the great thing about this too is that you can control the depth of it. So if you want it to be like really blue, just wet the eyeshadow. What I would recommend is not wetting the eyeshadow directly here, but wetting your brush after you have product on there. So I will show you that also. I'm just going to show you a kind of smudgy eyeliner. And I love using this to create like a smoky kind of sultry look. And I'll use the angle brush on the waterline. Do you see my eyeball? It's very eyeball-y. And then just kind of smudge it. And then, of course, mascara. And for someone that has dark eyes, like I do, when you add a dark color, including like a blue, it really makes the eyes bright. So I'm actually going to just apply some mascara. Tips first. Little back comb. And then wiggle wiggle. As I demonstrated with the purple cream eyeshadow, you can also use this just on your lid by itself, including in the evening for like date night, or you're going out with the girls, you're going out with your boo. It gives a real sultry look, including if you have dark eyes, like hazel to dark brown eyes. It's really going to make your eyes look pop. It's really going to make them pop. Guys, I really hope you like this tutorial slash unboxing slash reveal of our spring 2019 beauty box. So just to recap, in this beauty box you have a super sparkle lip gloss, which you can wear by itself on top of your favorite products just to give it that ultra bling bling. We have a mascara, every woman's basic necessity, stranded on the island tool, our cream purple eyeshadow, which is what I'm wearing right now, and a matte navy eyeshadow, which you can use in multiple different ways, and a angle brush, the tool for definition. You can use it as your eyeliner, you can use it as your bottom liner, you can use it to clean up your eyebrows, your lip gloss. It's really one of those tools that you can use more than you think that you need to. And our face oil sample from Poppy and Pout, which I hope you guys really love that too. Yeah, so that's about it for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, like, subscribe, share, be one with the world. Bye! be weird. These purple eyeballs and this glossy ass lip. Mixing to your color palettes of all of that goodness.
That didn't make any sense.
I did not. I know that. Okay.